Okay, I'm Bob Purcell for the Reality Game, and we're going to talk about. I got something. Your instructions from me in the past were to get involved. And if you got involved, you don't know how it happened. But if you're still not involved, then that's another call for you to get involved with. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. I just don't want you to sit in a cocoon. If you are able to venture out, you might not have to get involved with humans at all, but you may enjoy the scenery if you can find a nice nature path. Maybe if you're in a downtown location, you can enjoy beautiful architecture. Maybe you're in a very dry place with very little to look at, but maybe you might admire. It could be anything at all. And I don't know what else to keep going on about other than find quiet time, detach from I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Try to disengage from binge watchings. I mean, if you like to watch, maybe try to not schedule it. In other words, it's 8 o'clock and it's time for me to binge watch.